Tips for being healthy and fit. In this video, I'm going to go over the two most important factors to improving your health and your fitness. Okay, let's get right on topic. What's the best way to improve your health and fitness? There are two tips I'm going to give you in this video that's going to dramatically help your journey on improving your health and your fitness. Okay, now the first tip is the most important factor. You have to be consistent. That's by far, there's so many different ways to exercise. There's so many different diets that go on. No matter whatever one you pick, you just have to be consistent. Like for example, if you pick the simplest exercise program to go on, like say for example, you're going to say, I'm going to come home from work every day. I'm going to do 20 jumping jacks. I'm going to do 10 push-ups. I'm going to do 20 body weight squats, and I'm going to do a 30-second plank. That routine is going to take you 5 to 7 minutes. But if you did that every single day for 3 months, your life's going to be changed. There's going to be a dramatic difference in your health and your fitness. That's the biggest mistake I find people make. They're just not consistent. Okay, and then they mostly take on too much. Okay, this is my other incredibly important rule, and I've given this in other videos, is that whatever exercise or diet program you go on that you decide to do, you have to be 95 to 100% sure you're going to do it. You know, don't read an exercise book and watch YouTube videos and write down like this 90-minute routine that you're going to do 4 or 5 times a week. You know, whatever you decide you're going to do when it comes to eating right, or when it comes to exercising, is you have to be positive you're going to do it. Okay, so my recommendation is keep it simple, keep it short, and keep it consistent. You can do it. Create momentum. Give yourself 5-10 minutes a day. Say that, you know, every single day I'm going to take a 10-minute walk. I'm going to come back from the walk. Like I say, I'm going to do 20 jumping jacks. I'm going to do 10 push-ups. I'm going to do a plank. I'm going to hold a plank for 30 seconds. You're talking about a 15-minute exercise routine. And say, I'm going to do this routine. If I'm not 95% sure I can do it every day, I'm going to do this routine 3 days a week. Monday, Wednesday, Friday, 15 minutes. I'm telling you, in 3 to 6 months, you're going to be a different person. You can do it. You have to be consistent, and you have to be 95 to 100% sure that you're going to follow through with your exercise and your diet program. That's the secret to this whole game of being fit and being healthy. Consistency and being sure you're going to do it. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. There's somewhat of a motivational video, just like a quick fun video. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. If you need help, be consistent with your exercise program, leave a comment. Tell me what you're doing. Tell me some of your failures or some of your successes. I'd love to discuss it with you. Take care, everyone. Subscribe to my channel and have a wonderful day.